How to create a business technology presentation on PowerPoint. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create business technology presentation easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to PowerPoint. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to the top here and click on presentations option. Click on presentations and it will take you to this page. Here you will find many templates. Just search for business technology and here is it. If you didn't find it, just go to the top corner here and search for it in the search bar. Now click on it like this and click create. Now after you click create, you will be able to change everything from the title, as you can see, how to media, and you can change everything here on those pages too. It's very easy to edit, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.